Welcome. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the autoplay music on Spotify. So first, you want to open your Spotify app and then make sure that your account is logged into it. And then, as you can see on the upper right side of the screen, you can see your profile. You want to click on that, and then you want to click Settings. And here at the third section, you can see Autoplay, and it says that enjoy non-stop listening. When your audio ends, we'll play you something similar. So if you want to enjoy non-stop listening, just turn this off and Spotify will play you a non-stop music. So if you don't want that, just turn this on. Turn that off, okay? So if the switch is green, it means it is turned on. If the switch is gray, that is turned off. So that's it. I hope this video helps, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.